So this is part 2 of the Miami vlog. You're gonna see some different videos, like different angles, but same video but different angles.
Just waiting for our bags right
This
now.
video, same thing. We're in Miami for birthday, photo
First time in
shoot,
Miami,
music
my first time in
video.
Miami airport.
No, just to
Bags
see
are a little
Miami.
bit
I've never
slow
been
to
to Miami
come out.
before, and a lot of
American
people in the
Airlines.
group haven't been to Miami. So we went to a
That's the
couple
first
different
flight I ever felt
places.
sick
We were
on.
pretty close to Opalaka.
Yeah, weird.
Yeah,
Those gas.
not a very nice place, but
All
lucky
in all,
for
it
us,
was
we were
okay,
good.
though. Did a lot of
We were
sleeping.
in like northern Miami,
Alright, so we're in
southern
Miami.
Miami, something like that.
Ramon's
Check out the
birthday.
videos. Tell me what
Like,
you think.
share, and subscribe.
Like, share, subscribe. You know. Yeah. Tell me what you think in the
Yeah,
comments.
this
I'm trying
airport is
to
kind of
get
small.
this channel up and going.
But it's my first time in our Miami. It's a lot of our first time. And sisters, so
Brother, you have to grow up and have to understand that there's a time and a place for everything, and you don't talk to people like that, especially for no reason. Like, what?
I think we're gonna be okay.
Nah, I don't like them two people energy. The energy I'm getting from two people already. I don't like that.
I tell him he has to remember that he's a man. And I've never seen that in my life, yo. Weed at the airport.
Yeah, yeah.
Not in public. But yeah, if you have a medical card, you have dispensaries where you can go and get your shit.
Oh,
My phone in here.
this car drives smooth.
You guys, what's the card you guys booked?
Wow, I've never been to Miami before. It's my first time.
First time, man?
Fine.
Yeah, it's my first time. But I go somewhere close to Miami. I go to Jamaica.
Blast.
Yeah, I go there frequently.
What's the name?
I hear it's like an hour away by flight.
iPhone. Just iPhone. Let me try. It's just an iPhone. What's the front?
Miami. Yeah. Maybe they should have took a Uber. Ah, this is nice. Guys, when you're in Miami, I'm gonna put up their information in the description so you can come check them out. Yeah. You guys want a white G-Wagon or a black G-Wagon? Yeah. And look, they got a Maybach. Whew. They got a Lambo. White G63. Rolls Royce.
I like the white one. And the black one.
Oh man, imagine we took the Rolls Royce. Ooh,
And that's a oof.
that's abuse. Calling him. Which one you like, broski? Lambo. It's too bad there's no room. It's just you and your girl, that's it. You even have a GT. Yeah, you have good taste. Me too. You like this one? It's only white or black.
But I like black.
Yeah, I like the interior as well. The interior is nice. Yeah, that's me. That's my insurance.
White is all white. Godly.
Yeah, you gotta take videos of the car, make sure there's no damage. This is all you do when you're renting cars. Videos and pictures of how you got it.
Thank you. He's trying to cut.
Yeah.
Hold on.
year is this one?
All your bike.
Yeah, thank you. What year is this one? 21. Yeah, we're driving to you right now. We're driving to you right now.
Yeah, I'm here. I'm making up at zone 1.
Zone 1. Okay, we're coming right now.
Company one? I asked, yeah.
Poutines? Poutines in Montreal? Yeah, they invented that, right? So I can imagine it tastes good. Tastes good. Wow, yeah, I'm gonna send you all the pictures. Yeah, actually.
Purple LeBron.
Yeah, I saw the 20s. They have them for $200.
Back home was like 260.
Yeah. So how much is 200 US? Probably the
like-
same
Yeah,
price.
probably like exactly.
Yeah, 260. Yeah. So we're in Champs, guys. Looking at stuff at, prices. All right, let's go. We can't really afford. So everyone is a little irritated. And this is your guy right here. Miami. Whoa. This trip is kind of dead. I know. Now we look like we look like criminals now. We look out of place now. We look how ghetto we look compared to them. Is there any bag machines? Nike store. Let's do it. Look at all these shoes, man.
You gonna open it? Sorry, I'm annoying. So you're adding it? Yeah, this one.
At the Nike store. Wow. BBL. It's like the land of BBLs. There's a lot of BBLs in Miami. Never seen so much in my life.
Yeah, I know you want it, stupid.
It doesn't matter what shoe goes in what bag, right?
Nah, it doesn't. Actually, I mean, give him his own bag, yeah. Give him his own bag.
No, that's what I'm asking. Like, it doesn't matter where
Used to be Janelle's favorite store. Yeah, watch my stuff too. You can just sit by the chair right here. Right here, yeah. There you go. I'll be right back.
Eat food, drink, be drunk at the airport. Just chill, charge my phone. Yeah, because like it's not now. People are sitting here. Fam, there's nothing to do. What are you gonna do?
we have 2 cars. Like, we're acting like we're helpless.
Dude, you have to be at the airport 3 hours in advance of international flight. That's 5 o'clock.
Where is it now?
It's almost 3 o'clock.
They're not outside yet.
Stay here for 2 more hours, though? We should just go like 50 around.
Sam, give it up, dude. They tell me this is South Miami. Some serious ghetto. This hotel, oh my gosh. All I see is BBLs and prostitutes in this hotel. Oh man. Girl has a BBL. The biggest 7-Eleven I've ever seen. I didn't realize how 7-Eleven is so massive in America. Yeah. Yeah. She called the same guy. I realized she bad mind Ryan. I thought it was the other way around. No, because guess what? Before Rian was a